Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Acorns app for roundups and investing easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, unlock your smartphone and open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store instead. In the search bar, type Acorns and hit enter. Look for the Acorns app in the search results. Once you find it, tap on the app to open its page. Check the app's rating and read any brief reviews to ensure it's the right one. Weighing your options, look for the Install or Get button. Tap on it to start downloading the app to your device. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs. Once the installation is complete, look for the Acorns icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. The app will prompt you to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide your email address and set up a password. After registration, the app may ask for some personal information. This information helps tailor the investment experience to your needs. Once you complete the setup, the app will guide you through linking your bank account for roundups. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account. After linking, you can set your investment preferences and choose your portfolio. Take some time to explore the app's features. Once you're familiar with the functions, you can start using it to save and invest. Congratulations, you're now ready to use Acorns for roundups and investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.